Hey guys, I thought I would do a video with my face on the screen because you miss me. My heart's hurting right now because I miss you guys so much. Hopefully we'll be able to get on Zoom together once everybody gets their laptops. That would be fun, wouldn't it, to be able to see each other because I know you're all friends. So today I thought we would do a video on counting nickels because plugging in nickels might be a little annoying, but you're also able to count nickels by counting by fives. So we're going to practice both of those, okay? So here's our first problem. We've got two nickels. I'm going to plug it in like this, 0.05 plus 0.05. Remember to get your calculators out if you don't have one. Pause the video if you need to go grab it. Okay, I've got my two nickels here, and I'm going to hit equals 0.1. Remember, at the end of a calculator, there's going to be, after the number after the decimal point, there's going to be that invisible zero, right? We talked about that many times. With nickels, though, I can also count by fives. I'm going to count. Let's count by fives to a quarter, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So when you count by fives, you're just saying every fifth number out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then it goes on 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, just like that. You can see a pattern now, can't you? You're going to say the number with the 0 on the end, and then you say the number with the 5 on the end. 70, 75, 80, 85, it keeps going like that. The tricky one is starting out with the 5 and then getting to the 10. So it's first 5, and then 1 0, and then 1 5, and then 2 0, and then 2 5, and then 3 0, and then 3 5, and then 4 0, and then 4 5. Okay, so this one, my answer says 0.10. That's going to be right here. Remember that calculator drops off that last 0. Got that one right. Okay, get my calculator back up. Okay, we're counting by fives, and then we have pennies. So here we go with by fives. It's 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I'm counting by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. Did you see that? 5, 10, 15, 20. Now counting by ones, 21, 22, 23, 24. Do I have that answer down here somewhere? I sure do. Let's do it on the calculator though. 0.05, there's my nickel. And I need 4 of them. 2, 3, 4. Now I need to do the pennies. Pennies are 0.01 plus 0.01 plus 0.01. There's my third penny and my fourth penny. Equals, I'm done. So I hit the equal sign and I have 0.24 or 24 cents is how we would read that. And that looks like the correct answer. Remember, if you don't get the correct answer because your answers don't match what's available down here, then add it up again. Just take the time to add it up again. Let's see what the next one is. Okay. Hold on. Sorry, Mr. Derek called me and had a question. Okay, so here I've got 3 nickels. 5, 10, 15. Nice thing about math, I always say, is that the answers never change. They're always the same. So if I'm counting fives, I'm going to always start with the number 5, and then 10, and then 15. So it's 5, 1 0, 1 5, 15. Do I have that answer down here? I sure do. Let's do the math on the calculator just to double check, right? 0.05 plus 0.05 plus 0.05. That's my third one. Someone hit equals, and it gives me 15 cents also. Good job. Next one. Okay, we're gonna have 3 nickels and 3 pennies, which means we're counting by fives, and then we switch the counting to ones, all right? 5, 10, 15. Now we're counting by ones. 16, 17, 18. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. You're pointing the answer down here? Bam. Okay, let's do the math on the calculator. 0.05, let's put in 3 nickels plus 0.05 plus 0.05. Did all my nickels. Now I'm going to do 0.01 plus 0.01 plus 0.01. If you want time to plug this into your calculator, hit pause and plug each of them in, the 3 nickels and the 3 pennies, and then hit equals. If your answer looks like this, you're getting the right answer. If it looks different, then you probably hit a button wrong, which we all do. It happens to all of us. It's going to happen to me during this lesson, so don't sweat it. Okay? Next, 2 nickels and 3 pennies. Again, we're going to count by fives. 5, start with the 5, 10, and then I'm going to count by ones. 11, 12, 13. 5, 10, 5 plus 5 is 10. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Does that answer look like something down here? Sure does. All right, plug it into your calculator. 2 nickels, 0.05 plus 0.05, and 3 pennies plus 0.01. 2 pennies and 3 pennies equals. Remember to pause the video if you need a few seconds to plug those numbers in. Sometimes our hand coordination is a little unsteady, and so we need some more time to get them punched into the calculators, or maybe our calculator is really small and our fingers are kind of big because we're adults. So pause the video and try it on your own, hit equals, and see if your numbers match up to mine. Remember, if they don't match up, just try it again. Take the time and try it again. All right, 2 nickels, 2 pennies. Counting by fives and then again by ones. 5, 10, 11, 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. Remember, I always start out with 5 when I'm counting by fives, and my next number is always 10. The nice thing about math is the numbers stay the same. So we have 12 cents. Plug it into your calculator. 0.05 plus 0.05, and add your pennies up. Pause the video if you need more time to add these in, okay? We all have different speeds, so if I were to go super slow, I might lose some of you because I'm going too slow. And some of you might need to go super slow just to be correct in your calculator, okay? Your calculator might be a lot smaller than everybody else's. If my numbers match, that means we plugged it in correctly, we're good to go. Next. All right, this is quick and easy. I just have to count by fives by saying 5. I'm already there. And then I count by ones. 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Giddy up. Remember, if we're not sure about how to count still, use your calculator. 0.05, 1 nickel, and then 2 pennies. 0.01 plus 0.01, 2 pennies, equals 7 cents. You're thinking 7 cents is nothing. I would drop that on the ground and I wouldn't even care. Sometimes you're at the cash register though, and all you need is 7 cents. So everything counts. Absolutely. All right. 3 nickels, 2 pennies. Count by 5, starting with number 5. That's right. 5, 10, 15. Now by ones. 16, 17. So 5, 10, 15. By ones, 16, 17. 17 cents. Oh yeah. Okay. Put it in your calculator now. Pause the video and do them one at a time. 0.05 plus 0.05 plus 0.05. Now I'm going to do the pennies. 0.01 plus 0.01 equals. Remember, 0.01 is always how you put a penny into the calculator. It does not change. My answer copy matches right here. We're good to go. If my answer didn't match, then I would say, what did I do wrong? And I would just see it out and do it again. It would just take a minute, less than a minute to do. So don't get frustrated. Just try it again. Get your fingers to automatically do those numbers. 1 nickel, easy. I don't even need the calculator, do I? Because we know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. Bam. All right, here we only have to count by fives just to 5, but then we count by ones. So 5, now by ones, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is right there. All right, take a second to plug it into your calculator just to test your skills. There's a nickel and I need 4 pennies. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 0.01, 3 pennies, 0.01, 4 pennies equals. Pause the video if you need more time. Make sure your number matches. If it doesn't match, CC it out, start again. Practice, practice, practice. Sorry. This is on automatic lights. You know how, when we're in the classroom, the lights will go out, but you guys are always in here when the lights are on because you're always constantly moving, the lights stay on. But if I'm in here alone, the lights all of a sudden will go out and I'll be like in the dark. Okay, we did all 10 of them, 100%. Yay, wonderful. Fireworks too, just over the top, right? Okay, so then we have dimes, quarters, $1 bills, $2 bills, $5 bills, $10 bills, $20 bills. We love those problems, right? $20 bills. Okay, so if you want to check out this website, it's helpfulgames.com, and you'll select math for your subject and counting money for your activity, so you can do this on your own. If you're not sure how to do this, let me copy it and put it into the classroom and have parent or guardian help you. Alrighty? Bye, guys.